right?
Or we don't get enough, so we binge on it. What are you gonna do?
Alright, here we go. Question. What'd you do? S of 10. What is that asking for? Tell me in words what S of 10 means. 10.
The 10th term.
The 10th sum, which means the sum of the first 10 terms, right? Now, could we literally find the first 10 terms? First 10 terms. Yeah, where would we start? 4, because a sub 1 is 4, right? What would be our next term? Y11, because it says your common difference adds 7, right? The next one would be 18. So how fun is it going to be to find 10 of those and then add them all up?
Not fun at all.
So, what is the formula from yesterday as to how to find a 10th partial sum? Please, Gauss.
A over 2.
Not A over 2. N over 2.
And then A1.
So half as many jumps of the first plus the... Uh-oh. Did you guys actually jumpity jump to the 10th one? How do they find the 10th one without jumpity jumping?
Use the other.
How do we go there with the formula? A sub 10 is equal to A sub 1 plus how many jumps of 7?
9.
10 take away 1, right? 10 take away 1, so 9 jumps of 7. Isn't this the formula A1 plus N minus 1 times D? Yeah. So we just plugged into that. So what's our 10th term without having to jumpity jump that many times? 60. 63 plus 4, yeah? So then we can go ahead and say, what's 4 plus 67? And 5 times 71? Aw, my mental mathers. I'm distracted by the sweets. Anyway. Or the unsweet. Anyway, 355. Justin Adams brought some pretty awesome unsweet tea up there too. One of them's peachy, one of them's like fruity. JJ?
What's the yellow one?
The front one is like a peachy citrusy. The back one, he did like these blends of teas. He's like intense. Yeah.
Oh, really?
He's crazy.
And like fancy tea mugs.
It was really good. Yeah, it's good stuff. Okay, hold on, we gotta keep going. Boop, boop, boop. Last example for 9-2.
Let's go.
Now, hold on. Today is a day of celebration of math. Hi, but mathematics in general. It's our day to party. So we need to not be scared of a word problem. You've seen them since you were itty bitty. Think it through as a group. Try to get to the end. Ready, set, go. So we're attempting.
Yeah.
And that's what I'm hearing? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, let's check it out. What did you pick out that was important?
10,000 here.
Okay, 10,000.
A1 is your A1.
That's like a total, right?
Yeah, but that's your A1.
Okay, so I know A sub 1.
It's still frozen, I think.
Oh, why is it frozen?
Let it go.
Okay. A sub 1 is equal to,
10,000.
what else did you pull out? Oh, that's awkward. Does stuff like appear?
I think 75,000 and 7,500 is D.
Why?
Yeah, because that's the amount it's going up by each year.
For 9 years?
9 years.
Okay, so he wants D to equal 7,500.
Yeah.
What else?
And 9. So we have 9 here.
But we have to include the first year and the second time.
But would that be your A1? Oh.
So what would be the notation of what we're trying to find? S sub 10. That's A sub 1. How do we find A sub 10? Did we figure it out from the last example? You use the common difference. How do we find a 10th term? How do we jump there without having to go plus 7,500 plus 7,500 plus 7,500? Where do we start? 9 jumps, which is the same thing as 10 minus 1 if you're looking at the formula. times 7,500. So how much, if this goal is met, how much are they making in the 9 years later, I should say? We're in the 10th year. He's really assuming his business grows, huh? So then we plug that in, so then S of 10 is equal to 5 times. I don't know why it all just disappeared. That's fun. There we go. 10,000 plus 77,500 would be 87,500, yeah? Ooh. So then we end up with 0, 0, 5, and carry the 2, that'd be a 7, and carry the 3, and a 437,500? You double check?
Yeah. 87 divided by 17.
Times 5. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, we're done? Okay, 9.1, let's grade it fast. You guys are dramatic. Okay.
Did more than I did.
Do you want to see a million digits of pi?
Oh my god. I know.
There should be more. I think it just stopped loading. Whoa! Do you guys know you can find your birthday in pi if you just type it in? There's like a find your birthday in pi. You know Piology, if you're a part of their club, is selling pizzas tonight for $3.14.
Yes.
You know that Whole Foods is selling their pies for $3.14 off today?
Is that why your time is $3? It's usually like $10.
$3.14 Piology, but join their Pie for Life club otherwise. Okay, here we go. I think you can join the day of. I don't know. I joined yesterday. All right, so number 4 is factorial. Number 12. Wait. We gotta be checking. Number 4 is factorial. Number 12 is first term 3, then 12 11ths, 9 13ths, 24 47ths. I'll just let you guys look at them.
Yes.
We got it?
Yeah. Check.
I'm like, good.
You've been giving people time to even look at it.
Okay, so 1/2 negative
1/2, negative 1/5, 1/10, negative 1/17, 1/26.
Yeah, boys.
Yeah,
Hyphen.
Number 34, B as in boy. There you go.
Yeah.
As in berry pie. As in boisterous like you. Oh my goodness. Number 60. You had to start at a sub 0. Did you do that? 1, then 1/3, then 2/5, then 6/7, then 8/3, then that was the first 5 terms. You start at 0, you only go to a sub 4. We got it? Number 64. Oh, this one was so hard. No, it wasn't. 8 factorial cancels out with 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you have left is 12, 11, 10, 9, 4, 3, 2, 1. Simplify, simplify, simplify. Don't use your calculator, you party poopers.
Never.
Number 66. This one was kind of hard. It was the N ones. The question, who's bigger, the guy on top or the guy on bottom? Guy on bottom, because he goes from 1 all the way up till 2n plus 1, which means he hits 2n and he hits 2n minus 1 on the way up there. This guy ends at 2n minus 1. So we end up with 1 over 2n times 2n plus 1. Make sure you check out that example in the notes if for any reason you weren't here that day. But this is still a tricky concept because you don't know what this number is. He represents a general expression. So just think, in order to get to 2n plus 1, he had to pass through 2n before that and 2n minus 1 before that. And all of those cancel out. Number 94, it's tiny, tiny, tiny. But the series would be 1/10 plus 1/100 plus 1/1000 plus 1 is 0.11111, which is 1/9.
And that's the last even, so.
That's the last even, but I don't trust your mental math, so hold on. Before you can get your pi day,
Wait, are you gonna?
I want you guys to simplify the following factorial expression. Ready?
It's equal to 3.14. Yeah. 3.14. Here you go. Mental math. You can show minimal work. Wait.
Luca!
Okay, we're missing you.
Can't we just do like
What's 56 divided by 2?
They're trying to simplify what's on the board.
Yeah. 56 times 9 divided by 2.
Does anybody see where the back of my remote is?
No, that's not it. 56 I think it's times 505, 503, 56 times 9.
Is gone.
Divided by 2.
And then it's 2 times 4.
Gosh! Savage! I didn't 4.
252.
Take one down.
That's not mental math.
She stole it from my work. What? We have to do this too?
Hold on, how'd you guys do it though?
Shot.
How'd you do it?
I did the 1 times 2 all the way, and then I carried that by the 1 times all the way to 6 on the bottom, and then I did 7 times 8 times 9 divided by 2, and then I checked it.
So what cancels out?
So 1 is
All of those cancel. Doesn't 2 reduce with 8? 4 times 7 is 28. 28 times 9 would be a 2 and carry the 7 and 252.
got it.
You guys got it?
Now can we attack the table?
How much time do we have left of class?
15.
But we have nutrition.
We have like 25.
Yeah.
4 minutes.
Pause.
So we have to do this.
Happy Pie Day.
Thank you.
By bringing supplies and or food today, you're going to get bonus for your test category. By completing the Pie Day activity for tomorrow, you get bonus in your homework category. Now, listen carefully. I need to make sure I get the bonus down. True?
Yeah.
So, here's what we're going to do. Anyone who brought something today, okay? Anyone who brought something today, when I say so, I want you guys to go ahead and go up and stand by what you brought. Now, you don't have to literally be like touching what you brought, but just go stand by what you brought. We do have, I think, because you guys are crazy, lots of extra stuff on the floor that has no room on the table, so let's get some, no, don't go attacking the stuff on the floor. Let's just eat what's there. Once things are empty, after you guys have sat down, if those of you who brought things, just take a quick peek. If your stuff is empty, just throw it away outside in the trash can, cool? And then we can bring more stuff up. Drinks are over on the side. I think there's some coffee left over. There's creamer in the ice chest, and there's like teas and ices and all that stuff. Okay, now, hold on. We're not eating right this second. But anyone who brought something, go stand by it. We're not eating right this second. Anyone who brought something, I'm putting a little pie sign by your name in the grade book so I make sure to give you pie. Luca, if you bring something tomorrow, we'll count it. Because you were gone. Okay, so hold on. I got Issa, check. I got Alyssa, check. I got Amanda, you bring some. Aww. I got Hannah, check. I got Sean, check. I got Eris, are you up there? There you are. Eris, check. Nicole's up there, check. Celeste, you're up there, check. Jesse, you're up there, check. Milani, you're up there, check. Cosette, you're up there, check. Karina's up there, check. Are we counting Luke bringing Luke?
Yes.
He signed up for it twice. He was very worried that his wouldn't count. Kristen is up there, check. Oh my goodness, you guys are crazy. Eric's gone today, right?
Yes.
Eric.
Eris is up here.
Ella brought something, Caitlin brought something, Alex brought something. Those of you that brought something, now form a nice line behind. You get to go first. Everyone else, don't worry, your turns are coming. Ready, set, dive in, go. Wait, hold on, put the teas over on the drink table, otherwise people are going to be all confused.
I didn't know where to put it. How do we